Common problem areas with a sash window are the sill area, and there's a couple of reasons for that. Is that the liner that comes down, that the sash slides on, the back of the sash slides on, fits down into the sill. Part of the sill that has got the outer and inner cheek is in the dark, so it's behind the brickwork and doesn't see the cold light of day. So that liner down into the sill, if that starts going rotten now, then you'll find that because it's on a vertical, it starts soaking the water up, and that also, the liner goes rotten. So the sill is an area that we find a lot of issues with. It's also sometimes, because they sit on sandstone, and sandstone is porous, and at that time there was no DPCs, you find that because it's holding water, that the sill can rot within as well. So from experience, when we go to ascertain if we get called into a commercial or domestic clients, we have to do an initial sales survey, but we're clear to point out that because we haven't got the job and we're clearly just quoting, we can only, with a small screwdriver, try and go around and pinpoint the areas of problems, because we can't at that point start digging out timber to ascertain how deep or penetrative the rot is. It's a very hard thing to do. However, the second survey, which is the tech survey, which is after the customer client has made the decision to go with us, we can be a bit more obtrusive. So the points that are raised in the sales survey, we can give it a thorough or a more thorough investigation to ascertain what's wrong.